Have you ever stopped to think about what's actually happening behind the scenes at your favorite radio station? The sound of AM and FM radio feels so familiar, almost timeless. But the technology that's powering it all, well, that's in the middle of an absolutely massive transformation. So let's pull back the curtain and dive into the AI revolution that is completely automating the airwaves.
Yeah, this picture looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? It's that classic broadcast studio we all have in our heads. Now, just so you know, what we're talking about today is part of a bigger series. It's actually part 8 of a 10-part tutorial that's based on a really in-depth report from Virtualization Options LLC. And what we're focusing on is the tech behind the curtain. Because what you can't see in this picture are the powerful AI systems that are making decisions every single second. It's not just a DJ in a chair anymore. It's sophisticated software that's deciding in real time to play a more upbeat song because its data just showed a spike in online listeners. So, to really get how big of a deal this is, we've got to look at how we got here. It all started with the analog era, right? We're talking DJs physically spinning vinyl records and playing tapes. Then, in the 90s, we hit the digital transition, with the first computers showing up in studios. The 2010s took that a step further with the cloud, which let people run stations remotely. And all of that, well, it brings us right here, to today, the AI revolution, where machine learning isn't just helping, it's actively running the show. All right, so at the absolute heart of this whole revolution is something called the automation engine. The best way to think about it is as the station's digital brain, or maybe its central nervous system. It's the thing that coordinates every single element that goes out over the air.
So what is it really? A broadcast automation system is the software that juggles every single piece of audio. It's like the conductor of an invisible orchestra, making sure the right song plays at the perfect time, followed by exactly the right ad, then a station ID, and then maybe a pre-recorded voice track from a DJ who might not even been in the building that day. Now, when stations adopt this tech, they face a huge decision. Where does this system actually live? They can go on premises, which means they've got actual servers humming away in a closet right there at the station. That gives them total physical control. The other option is the cloud, where everything is hosted remotely. This gives them incredible flexibility. You can access it from anywhere. It's that classic trade-off, right? Total control versus ultimate convenience. And this slide really breaks down how it all works. First, every piece of audio, songs, ads, you name it, gets ingested and tagged with tons of data. Next, the AI scheduler gets to work, analyzing everything to create the absolute perfect flow for the next hour. Then, the playout engine executes that schedule flawlessly, down to the millisecond. And finally, the content gets distributed everywhere at once, to the FM transmitter, to the online stream, to the mobile app. You've got ingestion, scheduling, playout, and distribution. It's a completely automated pipeline from start to finish. Okay, so we've seen the engine that runs the station. Now, let's talk about how that engine is fueling the creative side of things. What you actually hear coming out of your speakers. Because this technology isn't just about being efficient, it's fundamentally changing how radio content gets made. This is where things get really, really cool. Look at how deep the AI's understanding of a song goes. It's not just looking at the genre or the artist's name. No. It's analyzing the tempo, the musical key, the energy level. It even understands the mood. Is this a happy, upbeat song, or is it kind of melancholic? Is it an intense rock anthem or a laid-back acoustic track? The AI knows. It really gets the music. And by using all of that rich data, the system can pull off something called a magic stitch. Just imagine never ever hearing a clunky, awkward transition between songs again. That's what this is all about. The AI analyzes the musical structure of the song that's ending and the one that's about to begin, and it creates a seamless, perfectly beat-matched crossfade. It sounds like a world-class live DJ is right there in the mix. It's basically AI as the ultimate music producer. And this isn't just for music. AI is totally transforming the newsroom, too. It can scan all the news wires for relevant local stories, generate broadcast-ready scripts that match the station's unique style, use a synthetic but very natural-sounding voice to deliver the news 24/7, and then automatically slot those updates right into the program schedule with perfect timing. And what's the benefit? It frees up human journalists to focus on what they do best: real, in-depth, original reporting. Of course, for commercial radio, all the art and science in the world doesn't matter without a solid business model to back it up. And that's where automation is having another massive impact on the advertising side. It's turning what used to be a really manual process into a highly efficient revenue engine.
I mean, the difference here is truly night and day. The old way involves somebody sitting there, manually building the ad log for the day, shuffling around paper contracts. There was a super high chance for human error, which led to running ads at the wrong time and all kinds of billing delays. The new automated workflow, it's a completely digital, data-driven process that optimizes schedules for maximum revenue, ensures total accuracy, and makes billing almost instantaneous. And here's where it all comes together. This is like the automated assembly line for radio advertising, and it is a beautiful thing to see. A salesperson enters the contract, and boom, the system automatically schedules the ads to make the most money while following all the advertiser's rules. Then the ad audio gets linked up, it plays on the air at the exact right moment, and that data flows directly to the billing department to create a perfect invoice. It is a completely connected, totally seamless workflow.
So, we've looked at how this tech works across programming, news, and advertising. What are the big picture advantages here? Let's kind of wrap this up by summarizing the real, tangible benefits that this new wave of radio technology is delivering.
It really boils down to 4 key areas. First, you get massive efficiency gains because you're automating all those repetitive tasks. That leads directly to number 2, significant cost reductions in staffing and operations. Third, you get an enhanced on-air quality with way fewer errors and perfect timing. And finally, and this might be the most important part, it actually improves listener engagement by using data to make smarter programming choices. So it's more efficient, it's cheaper to run, it sounds better, and it's more engaging for the listener. That's a huge win.
And all this brings us to one final, really thought-provoking question. This whole shift, it's not really about replacing people. It's about perfecting the science of radio, the scheduling, the timing, the transitions. So when the machines can handle all of that stuff with flawless precision, it frees up all the talented people in broadcasting to focus on what we humans do best: creativity, community connection, and exploring brand new frontiers in audio. So the real question is, what will they think of next?